Stock 2022 Trek Farley 9.6 review after numerous hours and miles. The bike comes with ESI chunkies. This is the only item on the bike that is in stock. I have been using OURYs for so long, anything else drives me nuts. I'm not sponsored by Trek or any bike shop that sells Trek, so my thoughts and opinions are not filtered. The fork is light, but man, you feel everything. I have nothing but good things to say about the drivetrain. It's quick, clean, and accurate. Tires. Mine are tubeless, but when breaking the bead for changing tires, holy mother, the 4.5 are a pain to get seated. I've tried all the tricks. With enough cursing and wrestling, I finally get it. My suggestion is bring a spare tube with you for on the trail. This bike with the carbon fork is light, quick, and fast. The only negative is you feel everything. Note, if you lower the tire pressure to try to help with that, you start to lose performance roll from the tire. Steering. Running the 3.8-inch tire with tire pressure higher for dirt trails, it feels very similar to my MTB. Now the 4.5-inch tire, A, at lower PSI, it self-steers pretty bad. B, with higher PSI for dirt, eliminates most of the self-steering from center, but it doesn't have a smooth turning arc. If I really get aggressive with my lean and position on the bike, it helps.